Isn't that insanity? Doing the same thing again and again and expecting different results? I don't know why I keep giving them the benefit of the doubt. Like, at this point, I can't blame anybody but myself. Like, I keep picking up these sensational units and expecting a different result.
Cut it, hey, cut it, hey, cut it. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco a poco.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit from Sensationnel, the Butta Lace collection. I'm bringing this one in the style Beach Wave 20-inch and the color number T1B/Golden Blonde. So let's just pop right into the specs of this one. So this unit, you do get a pre-plucked hairline. It does come with a singular HD lace middle part. It does come with baby hair. So let me just pop in a little bit and show you guys what this hairline is looking like. The lace kind of goes ear to ear slightly. If you have a larger size head, let me just tell you straight off the bat, this one is absolutely not going to be for you. My head is on the smaller to medium size, and honey, this is just not. It's not, which is something that I consistently have noticed. Like I always tell you guys, these Butta Lace collection units, they have baby size cap sizes. Like whatever cap size they're using, like it's just not working for me. So this one is definitely going to be small, possibly medium-ish head friendly, definitely not big head friendly at all in any way, shape, or form, honey. It's gonna be suffocating you a little bit. So this unit is kind of snug on my head, and just like I said, the lace is like trying to go to ear, but like it's not. So like it says on the stock card, this one is 20 inches. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come just above my boobs. So definitely a very natural length. This is all the hair to the front, and I want to say the density is like, it's like definitely summertime approved, because it's like 130%, maybe possibly 150% at most, with it more so combed out, but definitely super lightweight on my head. The texture on this one is, it's not necessarily yucky. It's definitely not necessarily silky. It's somewhere in between. This does list itself as human hair and premium fiber blend, so I mean, the quality of the hair doesn't seem trash. I can definitely say that. The hair quality definitely doesn't seem super bad, but definitely did know I did get a good amount of shedding with this one. Not necessarily any tangling, but honey, the shedding. And I don't know if it's because of color or whatever, but the style definitely doesn't lead me to believe you should be getting a lot of shedding. So I'm a little bit disheartened with the fact that there was a good amount of shedding with this one, but just like I said, maybe note that could possibly be because of the color of this unit. When units do come with a standard part, it does seem a little bit harder to get them to work, but I just wanted to show you guys that it's definitely possible. You can get some versatility out of the unit even if it does have a singular part. And then I did also just want to do this look just so you could kind of get the vibe of still having that realistic sort of hairline with a different look instead of it just being straight in the middle. And then also, I definitely did also just do this half up, half down, because like the style was not doing nothing for me, you guys. Like maybe some of y'all out there could slay it as is, but like I just was not. It was just too bland for me. It's just too basic. Like it's not giving me what I need for it to be given. I'm not saying that the unit is trash or anything. I just feel like it's so standard. It's just like, can we switch it up? Can we do something different? Can we try something different? Like, I'm bored. I'm honestly bored of it. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con is definitely going to be the cap size. Just like I said, across the board, it seems like the Butta lace collection have smaller caps. So the fact that the cap is on the smaller size and fit in snug like a bug on a rug on my head, I'm not really here for the cap size, y'all, honestly. Another con that I have is just like I said, the shedding that I was getting. It wasn't overwhelming, but I feel like it's more shedding than I would like to see, especially getting it straight out of the box. So definitely beware, honey. This is a shedder. Like I said, there wasn't tangling. The quality of the hair feels really nice, though. I don't really think I have any other cons when it comes to this unit. Just like I said, it's just my personal preference. This is just kind of blah for me. I think if this is sort of the look that you were going for, just like something super simple, something that has a nice HD lace, something that's pre-plucked, something that's going to be super easy, simple, throw on and go, this one definitely will be for you. But if you're looking for something to like wow you or boo you, or you may be in the same boat as me, like it's not for me. So let me just pop into the pros of this unit. The pros are, of course, you always come through with the pre-plucked hairline and the sparse baby hair, so you don't gotta do too much work. It's definitely beginner friendly, definitely super easy to slay. This parting space, of course, like girl. And then the fact that I could get it in a couple of styles, even though the fact that it's a predefined parting space, that's always a good thing. So there's definitely some pros with this unit, definitely some cons, so you could definitely make a judgment on your own based on do you want to pick it up or no. Me personally, I wouldn't pick it up again just because I said it's a little bit too basic for me. But if you're looking for something standard that's going to be easy and cute, simple for your typical like everyday work type of hair, I think this one could work for you, especially because I'm not going to go ahead and say that this is a special occasion unit because the quality of the hair does not feel trash. So I feel like maybe if I got it in a natural color, this one I wouldn't mind wearing like every day to work. But like when I look for hair, I look for something to like wow me. Like I go to work like glamorous. Like that's just who I am. That's just what I like to do. Like if I'm gonna be wearing a wig, I want my wig to like pop, lock, and drop it. You dig what I'm saying? So I mean, as a whole, like I said, I want to pick it up again, but I don't think you'd necessarily be disappointed if you have a smaller size head and you do pick this unit up. So that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any units you want me to pick up in any of the colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.